the formulas. Okay, first we'll discuss that. See, limit, whenever this question is there, limit extends to infinity, any function like this, a power, 3 power, anything you have like this, any powers are there, whole power x, and n you have 1 by x, sorry. Whenever you have such kind of ways, so the answer will be a1 into a2 into so and so an to the power of 1 by n. Okay, this shortcut is technique. So what will be answer for this? Limit extends to infinity, sorry, infinity time. So we can write this answer as what? What you can write? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 like that. Okay, so 2 into, here is a1 is 2, a2 also 2, a3 also 2. It may have different also. Example just I have given like this. It may have different. So the answer will be what here? 2 into 2 into 2 to the power of 1 by n. How many are there? N means number of terms. How many terms are there here? 1, 2, 3. So 1 by 3. It means 8 to the power of 1 by 3 is the answer. Understood what I said? So if this is 1 by n depends on the, you have the, like this 1, 2, 3, like n is there. Here how many are there? 1, 2, 3. So 1 by 3. So this is one technique. Like this techniques will be there more, I will explain. है ना, जो भी है ना इसके ऊपर techniques मैं बताता हूँ. और उसके बाद next here, these are the formulas are there. Whenever functions are like x, sin hx, tan hx, sin hx, like all trigonometric related, hx, x related, whenever you have, and these are the formulas, remember, whenever you have limit extends to 0, something function plus or minus something function, and inside will be some constant, like it may be 2x, 3x, 5x, 5 by 2x, anything here. Here mn indicates the numbers, like real numbers, any real numbers. Here pq represent any real numbers. So f, f2, g1, g2 represent any of these functions. Any of these functions. Then the answer we will get as, here the coefficient is what? M. Here the coefficient is n. So we write m plus n upon, here is p and here is q. So p plus q you will get. So you will get as m plus, answer will get this coefficient m, n, p, q. So m plus or minus n by p plus or minus q will be the answer for such kind of questions. Okay, suppose you have limit extends to 0, sin 7x plus sin 5x divided by tan inverse भी हो सकता है, tan inverse 5x, anything can be possible. Okay, sin inverse, anything, whatever it may be, this function whatever it may be. But if this is in this shape, so answer will get as 7 plus or minus 5 by 5 plus or minus 2. If you have minus, you will be get minus. If you have plus, you will get plus. Suppose if I am taking plus or minus here, so answer I will get plus or minus. But in exam they will be asking only either plus, either minus. Suppose you have plus, you will get here plus. Suppose you have here minus, you will get here minus. Getting what I said? So you have here plus means plus you have to take, minus means minus you have to take. Suppose here plus, here minus, then you will get numerator plus, denominator minus. According to that. Understood? Right? Right, here you get 7 plus or minus 5 by, here 5 plus or minus 2. Like this answer will get. Next, this one, power. This is important for JEE. Ye important hai. I have seen many questions on based on this. So limit extends to 0, f1 power m, ax, f2 power n, bx, g1 power px, cx. This is g1 power p bracket cx, g2 power q bracket dx. Whenever you have like this, the formula is, answer for this is a, here this constant power m, this constant power n, this constant power p, this constant power q, you will get the answer. If it is there in product, you will get in product. If you there it is in plus or minus, you will get plus or minus answer. Are you getting here? If you have here plus or minus, you have here plus or minus, answer will be plus or minus. If you have in multiplication, you will get the answer also in multiplication. Getting or not? Right? So the answer for this one, no need to solve. Directly, if you have these ideas, you can write directly answers. I will discuss the questions, no problem. First I am explaining the like these shortcuts, then I will explain some problems. Okay, right? Is it understood this one? This pattern, when you have to write like this. Now whenever you have such pattern, for this one what will be the answer, tell me? For this one what will be the answer? See here, what do you get here answer? 2 cube. ना ये 2 है ना इधर, the 2 cube, 2 cube plus is there, so plus, what do you get here? 3 square divided by, c is not there, there is no c here. अरे इसमें अंदर में होना है ना, ये फंक्शन में नहीं है, c is 1 here, और d is 4, this function is there, d is 4, 4 power 4, so the answer will be 2 cube is how much? 8 ना, 8 plus 9 upon 4 power 4 is कुछ भी होगा वो लिख दो. Understood? Understood or no? Did you understand or no? Sir. Whenever you have such space, you have like this form, so you have the formula answer for this. This is 1 power 1. Okay, this is not there means 1 power 1. So 1 power 1 like this. Understood or no? Right? Now here this case, whenever you have limit extends to 0, 1 minus cos ax by g1 cx g2 dx, whenever you have such cases, so the answer will be a square by 2 cd. Here a iska square, this square by c into d. So if you remember these things, what happens? I'll explain more I will write. So if you remember these things, what happened? You can write without solving the problem directly, shortcut. Only 10 are there, I think 8 are there, but 8 you can remember, I think, not a big deal, right? Okay, for this example I'll give you. Did you understand example? Should I give more examples? You need some examples more? If you want, I'll give. In this question, any more example you want, tell me. Just identify like this, whenever situation is coming, you can write it. This is the answer. But here x is there, this is only the point I want to discuss. Here x is there, not in sign of something. So here that time you will take 1. But this one is 4x is there, so this is d and this is power. D power 4, 4 power 4. So this 4 power 4 means 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, 64 4s are 256. So 17 by 256 is the answer. So for this one is 17 by 256 is the answer. Understood what I said? Understood or no? So you have the limit like this and you have the question like this. So for this one no need to solve. The answer will be here. Here it shows the answer. What is this? A square by 2cd. A square by 2cd means what you will do here? A means here 5. So the answer will be 5 square by 2 times of c. C is this. This is c. Okay, you have square. Okay, cube is there. Then suppose you have like this. Question is like this. Then you get 2 into 3 you will be getting. But you have the answer. The question is like this. 1 minus cos 5x by sine 2x cube you have, or tan square you have. Then the answer you will get 5 square by 2 into 2 cube into 3 square. You will get like this. Answer you get like this. So when you have like in this way, you can check it. Answer will be like this. A square by 2cd will be the answer. So 5 square by 2 into c into d. Like this shortcut you can use it in limits. Understood now? Third example understood? First and second understood? See, whenever you have such kind of format, square root of 1 plus x power n 1 minus x power n divided by x power n. So the answer will be 1. For example, limit you have x tends to 0 under root of 1 plus x cube minus under root of 1 minus x cube divided by x cube is there. So the answer is immediately 1. आप करना है तो रेशनलाइज करके कर सकते हो. See, this is the formula. Whenever you have square limit x tends to 0 under root of 1 plus x whole power n minus under root of 1 minus x whole power n x power n, whenever you have answers you will get 1 direct. So you can see examples, you can do it. And this one here, limit x tends to 0 under root of a plus x minus under root of a minus x upon कोई भी फंक्शन हो, sin inverse hx, tan inverse hx, sin hx, कोई भी ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन कोई भी होने दो, या x भी हो, if you have x also, whenever you have such kind of question, so the answer is 1 by root a. तो root a इधर क्या है? अच्छा ये गलत हो गया ना, तो ये 1 लेना पड़ेगा, तब 1 होगा. If it is 3 you will get 1 is 1. So when you have this is you understood, right? Square root of 4 plus x, square root of 4 minus x by sin x, when you have answer is 1 by root a you will get, that is root 4 value is 2. But if you have like this, for example, limit x tends to 0, limit x tends to 0, square root of a plus you write anything 6 plus x minus square root of 6 divided by, you have sin hx, suppose you have sin hx or 5x 8x whatever it may, hx is there, whatever is there, answer will be 1 by 2 root a value is 6, 1 by 2 root 6 will be answer. You will get 0 only, that time 1 you get. But if you have here 3 something, 3 4x is there, then you have to multiply into 3 or into 4. If you have here 3x 4x anything number, sin x is there, any function is there, you will get like this. Okay, so here when you have limit x tends to 0, for example limit x tends to 0, you have cos 5x minus cos 6x divided by sin of 3x into tan of 5x you have. Suppose you have the question like this. So the answer for this one will be b square minus a square, that is 6 square minus 5 square. 6 square minus 5 square by 2 times of 3 into 5. This will be the answer. So this is the last one, and then we will proceed 1 by infinity methods. Method wise I will explain. So limit x tends to 0 when you have cos power n ax minus cos power n bx, g of function into cx, g2 of function into dx you have, then the answer will be n times of b square minus a square by 2cd. Now these all are short tricks. Okay, so the question is like this, you have limit x tends to 0, cos cube 3x minus cos cube 5x by x square is there. The answer for this will be, what will be the answer for this? Can you tell me what will be the answer for this? What will be the answer for this? N is what here? 3. N is here 3. B is here 5 square. A is here 3 square divided by 2 times of C you don't have here, D you don't have. X is there means there is no C and no D. It means 1 1. C1 and D1. So into 1 into 1. So 3 into 5 square is 25. 3 square is 9 divided by 2 ones are 2. So the answer you will get if you simplify. It means 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 25 minus 9. 16. 16. 8 times cancel, 8 3 is 24 is the answer. Okay, so these are the short tricks. So 1 power infinity form is this. So one function is limit x tends to a f of x is 1, limit x tends to a g of x is infinity. So the form of this function limit x tends to 0 f of x to the power of g of x form is 1 power infinity form. So the answer will be e to the power of limit x tends to 0 g of x into f of x minus 1. Now we will do problems on this. 1 power infinity is important, okay, for JEE mains. ठीक है? So what is there given? Limit x tends to 0 tan of pi by 4 plus x to the power of 1 by x. If I substitute x is equal to 0 in this function, if I substitute here tan of pi by 4, tan pi by 4 is how much? 1. And here 1 by x place is 0. 1 by 0 is how much? Infinity. So this is looks like as 1 power infinity form. Whenever you have 1 power infinity form, problems how you will solve? I told you, no, answer will be what? E to the power of limit x tends to 0. Even in my notes also I explained many problems on this, because this is very important, so I explained it. Limit x tends to 0 e to the power of g of x means ऊपर का जो power है ना पीछे आ जाएगा. 1 by x into you will get as tan of pi by 4 plus x minus 1. Okay, you will get like this. Okay, it means the answer will be what here? E to the power of limit x tends to 0 1 by x into, you know that tan of a plus b formula. Actually tan pi by 4 plus x कैसा लिख सकते हैं? How you will write? 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. You know na? Tan of a plus b formula is what? Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Tan a means tan 45. Tan 45 is how much? 1. Tan a minus tan b. Should I write here? What I get here? Tan pi by 4 plus tan x by 1 minus tan a into tan b. So I can write directly tan x, because tan pi by 4 value 1. 1 into tan x is tan x. And you get minus 1. So you are going to get this one as limit x tends to 0 e to the power of, you are going to get here 1 by x into, 1 by x into, you are going to get here 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x minus 1. Tan pi by 4 1 होता है सर, ये इसका याद रखो, 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. If you do the LCM, I will get 1 minus tan x is the LCM. On the top I will get as 1 plus tan x, 1 plus tan x, and minus of this you get, minus of this denominator, that is how much you get, you know na LCM. So what I get here? Minus into 1, minus 1 plus plus tan x. I am sure this is correct na? So plus 1 minus 1 gone. So e to the power of limit x tends to 0, I get how much here? 2 tan x by x. See here, 2 tan x, and outside x is there, by x divided by 1 minus tan x. You know tan x by x, limit x tends to 0, tan x by x is how much? 1. ये 1 होता है. Tan 0 is how much? 0. 1 by 1 sorry, you will get as 2 into 1 by 1 minus 0. Answer is 2. It e square, sorry, e square, because it is running on e power limit x tends to 0. So it is running on e power. So e square is the answer. This is 1 power infinity condition. Same pattern. And you know one thing, in your material, related to these questions are there, do it. I will tell you, in your material also very good questions are there based on 1 power infinity. लिमिट्स करो, आपके मटेरियल से करो, आपको बहुत करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है सर. जस्ट डू योर प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस, मेरा नोट्स करो, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन करो, और ज़्यादा मत ढूंढना. आपके पास बुक है ऑलरेडी, मटेरियल है, उसके रिलेटेड कोई चैप्टर टॉपिक में चाहिए तो उस बुक में लेके कर सकते हो आप. यू कैन डू द प्रॉब्लम्स बेस्ड ऑन दैट मटेरियल ऑल्सो. आई हैव सीन 1 power infinity मेनी क्वेश्चंस. क्या हो? Okay, this question we can run like this, है ना, g f of x power g of x, so g power x ऊपर वाला नीचे आ जाएगा 1 by x square into here you will get minus of this 3x square plus 2 upon 7x square plus 2 minus 1. So e to the power of limit extends to 0, you are going to get a 1 upon x square into 7x square plus 2 is the LCM. So I get as 3x square plus 2 into, I get as minus 7x square minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 gone. So what you get here, limit extends to 0 e to the power of 1 by x square into, you are going to get here minus 4x square upon 7x square plus 2. Simple here, this x square gone because denominator numerator cancel out. So e to the power of limit extends to 0, you got here minus 4 by 7x square plus 2. Substitute the limit here. E to the power of minus 4 upon 7 into 0 square plus 2. So that I get as e to the power of minus 4 by 2. Answer is minus 2. E to the power of minus 2. That is 1 by e square is the answer. 1 by e square is the answer. This model problems you did, even you want to do 1 power infinity problems, take your material, ADIMA material is there, limits is there, in that 1 power infinity separate material is there, L hospital rule separate is there. You can see that and solve the problems on that. And even you don't know, in test I have given from that only 1 power infinity this question, limits I gave from your book only. I pick up the questions from your book.